Welcome back to episode 2, everyone, of DUNE Buggy going turbo. Today, we're gonna have the turbo mounted up and possibly make it running. I don't know. We got some more tools to do the job even better, so let's get to it. This drill is way bigger.
That one's got some balls.
Yeah.
You know what it's gonna do? It's gonna twist this off the table and whack someone.
So we have flange. Where's flange number 1 at? Oh, it's not even done yet. I thought it was done.
No, this needs to be drilled.
Yeah, apparently we learned how hard this steel is to drill through. So Zach is tracing the next flange. This is gonna be the downpipe flange. So thick ass steel, very thick steel.
Thick with 3 C's.
Yes, we had to go and get this drill because this one just was not doing the job at all. Slightly scared.
What?
Joe's armed with the hole dozer.
The hoe dozer.
Bro, he's got the hoe dozer.
Hold this piece.
Nope. Hold it.
Nope.
I'm not gonna hit you, I swear to God. If I hit you, you can hit me in the nuts.
Nope.
Woo! Right in the... He drilled through the table. Bro. Holy, that thing is so much better than that piece of crap. Oh my gosh. And for the low price of 30, that's a steal for $35.
And dude, I didn't expect it to go that fast.
No, that is really good.
There was a scary moment when it kept itself on. I let go of the trigger and it was still going. That was scary.
Hold on.
Here, help me out here, bud.
Oh my gosh.
There's cork in there.
There's cork.
No, that's not cork. That's the metal.
Oh,
Yeah, it's almost the shape of Texas.
We're potatoes. I got my big old red Jeep convertible.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we messed up the first one. This is what we need, and this is what we ended up with. So, it doesn't quite align. We could probably make it work, but we want this to be perfect. Perfect. So we just outlined a new piece, we're gonna drill it. So, let's try it out.
So we can't seem to get the current hole saw off, and we're trying to use the smaller one. So we're using a little bit of heat to expand the metal on the bell. Calm down. Do it again. Child.
It didn't hit it. It was like at least a foot away from it.
don't point over the tires nor the headlights.
It was just the bumper. It was fine.
Next to my headlights, you mother.
Don't play with fire, kids. Don't try this at home.
We heated it up and you can actually see the heat temper lines.
It went through.
Yeah. But look, you can see the heat temper lines where on the drill bit itself.
Yeah.
Where it's been heated up and lost its tempering. Either way, we now have to buy one.
Now I have to go back to Walmart.
Hey Gabe! Gabe! Now how we use the torch when we heat up the drill bit?
Yeah.
It lost its tempering. And it shattered.
Fantastic.
What's up?
The good thing is, we want to buy this thing.
I've never seen that happen before. I've seen like the drill bit break off on the actual bit part.
This whole build has been against us since the get-go.
I agree.
Carl does not want boost.
But he's gonna f***ing get it, Mike.
He wants to be left the hell alone. So now, is Home Depot even open right now?
I don't
Wait,
know.
what time is it?
Hey, well, guys, we're publishing our new podcast. Link in the description. It's pretty good. So a little bit late, but go check it out.
What?
Let's go back to the fun stuff.
So part 2 of this part 2 video, technically, day 2. Most of the turbo mocking up is done. Joe and I are now gonna work on the oil lines and yeah, so we're now gonna take care of the whole oil situation. So here's what we got for that.
So this is your AN style fitting. You slide it over.
We should be using braided line, but we're just using 10 bar rated hosing, which equals around 140 PSI, which should be more than enough for the oil pressure the engine puts out.
Yep. And you put that on all the way, and then you hold it back.
Yep.
You push this on the inside of it and twist. And you have to make sure you hold the hose into the hose end, and then you turn it until you're all the way in.
Just kind of seals it. Okay, let's go ahead and throw that on. So we have kind of a problem here. See, on most turbo setups, this guy right here, this is the plate that goes onto the feed port on your turbo. Well, on this KO3, it only fits on the drain port. So we need to modify it, more than likely. The oil feed port is right here, and it uses a banjo bolt, which we have. We had to go to Summit and get all new fittings because our eBay oil line kit basically did not work at all with this thing. I think there was like maybe one piece that worked, max. So in order to get this guy to work as the drain, we're gonna have to drill that hole out because this is, again, meant for a feed, and that's on the to-do list. Oil line is ready to go.
That does not look comfortable.
It's not comfortable at all.
It's actually a clean carbon out
Do it
too.
again, do it again.
So, something happened to Joe's pants.
Look, man.
What are those? It looked a lot worse. And you fixed it with zip ties.
So there was already a hole in it for a long time, and my idiot self decided to climb on top of the DUNE buggy. And the first step I took, instantaneous rip from like 4 inches down my leg all the way up to the top of the crotch.
You're gonna get demonetized for just.
What, man? There ain't no gaps.
There ain't no.
Ain't no gaps.
You have a zip tied dick and red paint hair.
What's a zip tight dick?
It's a zip tied dick.
So the audio on this clip got messed up, so I'm just gonna do a quick voiceover. So what we're doing here, we are getting ready to drill and tap the oil pan. So we put electrical tape on the drill bit to prevent the drill from going too far into the oil sump and possibly messing up either the crankshaft or the oil pickup. So hopefully electrical tape will stop the bit from going too far in. Let it rip.
Boom. Boom.
Very thin, very thin. All right guys, hole is drilled. Now all we gotta do is tap it. Okay, so we have the hole done. It is drilled and tapped. And I know the first thing that's gonna come up in the comments, a bunch of comments are gonna come up about the CV axle being too close to the drain. For demonstration purposes, we got, wait, why are you on the other side, Justin? They're gonna jump on it repeatedly, and we're gonna see how close the CV axle gets to that hole. Go ahead, guys. All right, that's good.
Chill, Jesus. As you guys can see, we're good.
That is about it for this episode. We have the turbo mocked up. We got it painted. Ricer orange.
We lost a bolt, so this is as far as we can go.
Yep. We have an intercooler kit on the way, minus the intercooler, because this thing doesn't really need an intercooler.
It's
So,
got plenty of air to cool it down.
anyways, that'll be here Tuesday. So this thing will probably be done by Tuesday. Intake piping, oil drain bung, oil drain hose. That'll be easy. And this thing will be pretty much done. This was by far the most time-consuming part of this project. And we still have to make an exhaust for it. That'll be really easy though, because we're just gonna use V-band. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this episode. We hope y'all enjoyed this. This will be done next week for sure. It'll be running boosted. Shooting for 10 pounds of boost. We really have no idea how much boost it's gonna be running at first because we don't know what the wastegate is rated for. Usually, whenever they're shipped, it's somewhere between 8 to 12 PSI, which 12 PSI would be way too much for this.
We can't tune it, so
Yeah.
full soon.
All right, hope y'all enjoyed. We will see y'all soon. Peace.
I'm here to destroy things, kid. Putting the face mask on.
You know what? We're idiots. Look on the seats.